going to the airport. Pupunta muna kami sa parking lot para i-park yung sasakyan. Tapos, maghintay na lang kami ng shuttle para ihatid kami sa airport. So, hi honey, how are you today?
Good.
The weather is so nice. Hindi siya malamig at hindi rin siya mainit. Kaya perfect. Perfect weather, I would say. So, ayan. Ito na yung parking lot. Nag-increase na rin siya. I think it's $6 per day na. Nag-increase siya ng $1 per day. So, ayan. Okay. Dito na kami sa shuttle. It's only us. Only us. So we're inside the plane. So wala kaming katabi, so which is nice. Late yung boarding, kaya nagmamadali.
Yeah, wala mo uli yung GoPro natin, ha?
It's not me, it's him. Okay, so it's a 4-hour and 45 minutes flight. See you later. Hello guys! So nandito na kami sa airport. At nasa airport ka pa lang ay puro slot machines na. Si Ramar, we're heading towards dun sa may pagsusunduan sa amin ng friend namin. So, ayan, yung mga mahilig mag-casino, kaya talagang dito sila pumupunta. Pero it's fun din talaga. Kasi ako, hindi naman ako nagkakasino, pero marami ka rin mapupuntahan. And really nice weather. Hi, Han. We're kinda hungry na. And we're so excited to eat at Goldilocks and Jollibee. Of course. Labo ng mata ko. Hi! So, gabi na. We already ate dinner sa bahay ng friend namin with the kids. And dito sa Vegas is already 10 p.m. So, like, alauna na. Sa Columbus is 1 a.m. na. So, medyo inaantok na rin ako. Pero, me and Ramar, we decided to go to Fremont na lang. Para naman masulit yung araw. So, ayun. Pupunta kami dun ngayon. We're just gonna walk around and relax at some point.
At the light, turn right onto Roy Way. Then keep left to merge onto County Route 215 for east toward Henderson.
So, kumain kami ng Jollibee, tapos bumili si Chris ng mga ensaymada and Red Ribbon para sa snack, ganun. So, ayun. So, let's go to Fremont, guys. See you.
Use the left tube.
guys, so pauwi na kami. It's already 11:14 here. Technically around 2-ish sa Ohio. So talagang antok na talaga ako. But marami na rin yung nag-uuwian. Siguro kasi nga medyo, late na. Wala nang masyadong show dito sa may Fremont. But yep, so we're just paying and then we're heading home and get ready to bed. And then for our next day, tomorrow is medyo madami kaming ganap. So, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye!